watching Trucking Biker? Are you watching Trucking Biker? Hi guys, yes I'm back. On this video, it's going to be a bit of controversial video, and try and watch it all and watch it quick, because I won't be surprised if it got taken down, because it's about freedom of speech and Tommy Robinson and what I think of it. Everyone seems to be fucking scared stiff of talking out loud about it and saying anything on camera and anything like that about it, just in case they get nicked. Well, if you want to nick me, fucking nick me for it, because I believe in free speech. I'm proud of this country. I'm proud of the freedom that we've been given to express our opinions and have the free speech. And why should we fucking stop? And all this is because Tommy Robinson were reporting in Leeds about a gang of Muslims that have had a paedophile ring. They've been grooming girls, raping them. 20 odd paedophiles. No, no other cameras there. He was the only one that were reporting on it. And the public, as a public citizen, we do want to know these things. We want to protect our children. How can we protect them if we don't even know what's fucking going on in the world? And believe me, this is going on, and it's quite regular in all different towns. And I'm certainly not prejudiced at all like that, and I'm not against the Muslims. And I don't give a shit, but on this situation, I don't give a shit whether you're black, brown, white, fucking yellow, or purple, or fucking alien. I'm not bothered what colour you are. But when you're doing bad things to our kids, then that is something that's a no-no. That's absolutely disgusting. Now Tommy Robinson, he's been put away, and I believe he's been transferred over to Leicester now, which is full of all the ones that are wanting to kill him. He knows that, he knows the dangers he faces, but he's still been brave enough to come out and say what he thinks. And that's something I really, really do admire. I'm exactly the same. I say what I think. Sometimes people don't like it and they think you're a bit arrogant up through it, but I don't give a fuck what you think. If I've got something to say, I'll fucking say it. And it's only my personal opinion. You don't have to hate me for it. Why hate someone just because they speak their mind? But he's a very intelligent guy, he's Tommy Robinson. Very intelligent. He knows what he's doing, and he knows the risks. But I do feel so sorry for him. I mean, he's got a wife and 3 kids. He's got over a 12-month sentence. And that was within 3 hours. I've never ever known that happen before in my life. Fucking sentenced and nicked straight away within 3 hours. That's a first. I'll tell you why it is and why it can be done. Because it's fucking political. It's all political, that's all it is. They're trying to silence him. And the government that won't mind silencing him for good. But believe me, there is always someone there to take his place. There'll be someone there to replace him, and someone that will speak out again. Why should we be frightened off by saying what we think And that's all it is. Expressing an opinion. And if anyone's watching this, especially if it gets around to Tommy Robinson watching it, which I very much doubt it, but if what to do so, he has got the vote of the public. In fact, it's done quite the opposite by doing this, by trying to silence him. This has made the public come out and support him. He's got a lot more support now and followers, even from people that wasn't too sure about him and didn't really like him. They're now supporting him. And it's proved by the marches down in London and that. I support all he says and all he does, and everything, if you look back on all his videos, everything he does say, it's true. You can't really go against what he is saying. So I just can't understand why he's ended up in prison. Alright, he's been warned off, but that warning wasn't right, not right at all. They shouldn't have warned him off. Tommy Robinson, you've got the greatest respect from me and a lot more public out there. We absolutely love you. And hopefully all the demonstrations and that will get you out a bit earlier, but I very much doubt it. Because the stubborn bastards is this government. They do what they want. They don't give a fuck about us. I'm sorry for threading, but it just gets me fucking mad, this. It really does. It riles me. But nowadays you don't feel safe in this country with what's going on with the terrorism, and we're all human. We want to protect our children. That's one of the main things you do, is protect your family, don't you? And that's all Tommy Robinson's trying to do, and make people aware of what's going on. This just is not right. I just can't see the sense in it at all. I think it's absolutely disgusting, and I'm ashamed to be English at the moment. I'm proud of my country, like I say. I'm proud of having the free speech, but well done. Our country, our flags. Speaking out for freedom of speech. I'm speaking out for our country. Our country needs the people to speak out. It needs freedom of speech, and we shall, no matter what. Still fucking say our piece. If I've got something to say, I'll fucking say it. If you don't like it, then fuck off. Oh, I'm losing it now. I'm getting really mad. So I'm being a bit stupid, alright. But that's trucking biker for you. I'm sorry about that. Right, so yeah, come and let me know what's going on, what you think. And I know I'll get some shit from some dickheads that don't fucking like it. They'll say something stupid against me. Nothing will stop me speaking out. So I'll leave it there. I'll expect to knock on my door tomorrow. There'll be a policeman there. Right, that's it. You're charged. You're arrested. Nicked.